chat. So let's get down to Jonas. Like I'm saying, let's listen. But because that's where we knew this bro at. Yeah, bro. And apparently this song, I've seen if users are like like conversations on Facebook. I'm gonna comment, but like now they're actually not high. They're not hyped or they're not happy with it. Yeah, bro. So I wanna hear it. It's a freestyle. So yeah, but we know Usmo is very good. Yeah, bro. So, but I think I think for me, like he needs to lock in more. Yeah, but after what I heard, yeah, well, he need to lock. He is, or he's just misunderstood. Yeah, but little details. Yeah, but the thing is, once like we start having a negative connotation, we're gonna start looking at things in general. Yeah, but for instance, last time the reactor I think it was Koti Flesh Kumgani. Egoli. What a solid hook by Ukoti go Egoli. A very solid hook go Egoli. And yazi into yenza nguzmowa kwi first verse ka Egoli. I don't know why he chose to go for that shit because it was utter nonsense. Into uzmowa ayenzileyo ku Egoli is utter nonsense. It's pure disrespect to Ukoti because that was a solid verse, chat. Yeah, bro. That was a very beautiful verse. If you go listen to Egoli from his latest album. That was nonsense more. That was bullshit. Lando snike ona. La verse that and that's what I don't know what he was trying to do there. But anyway, I'm actually getting pissed thinking about it. These tiny things, the way I crop off after editing. You don't have to post into no CapCut uyile artist uyiyo ule level ukuyo kungakhathali oku ububhanxa ombuzimowa yabo lento ke asixabananga nawe futhi. This is criticism ezakwakha nawe. You understand saying ayike uba uyithathe ngenxeba ke bhuti ayandiyazi. Otherwise we have loved your craft for over the years, but ke ngoxa sibona ba uyanantsika man lento abantu abayithandanga le ngoma. I hope oh my days what the fuck. Okay, it's back. Abayithandanga, let's check it out.
Nalapha eCape Town ebekhona uJonas ebeyinto chinja bafazi ebe-rich athi msuthu ngomswasti khalad athi wenza salad wafumana ivirus maska chocho Jonas ubucinga ugrand maska chocho Jonas wakhetha ubabet chocho Jonas kungatyi treatment. Sorry Jonas, namhlanje you are dead and alive. Uphila ngelies ubetha abafazi ubungenalwazi by GBV wengekho right wenza igenzi USB bakhalisa nyani wokuqiniswa zitekmini yonke unceba izilipasi skinny jeans ibheki kuye sibane jealous awusakwazi nokutya ipapa sikuthubhela iflyers awusakwazi noyivi sesikufaka ipampas. Nalapha eCape Town ebekhona uJonas ebeyinto chinja bafazi ebe-rich athi msuthu ngomswasti khalad athi wenza salad wafumana ivirus maska chocho Jonas ubucinga ugrand maska chocho Jonas wakhetha ubabet chocho Jonas kungatyi treatment. Sorry Jonas, namhlanje you are dead and dangerous. Bengaseli namanzi solo kwethe vramu Joe utya ishot newine ebezithanda ibhamu Joe and ebengena size lesinga ibabu Joe kanti akacondomize Jonas weak focusing thing awuna paraffin.
No. Okay. I feel like as a freestyle we are a bit harsh. We are a bit harsh. Now we are a bit harsh. He delivered what we know him for. One thing about Zmowa, the bars, the delivery is going to be proper. Ingoma ingayikaka ingoma, but everything is going to be proper. one thing about uSmowa, ingoma ingayikaka ingoma, but the writing skill, the delivery is gonna be the one. And here, niyamsukela. As a freestyle, this thing is good. Cho on us. It's trolling, yabo. It's trolling, and it's sending the message it's supposed to send, yabo. But don't do this and this and that. It's trolling. It's a troll. For me, this song is just a troll. It's a throwaway. Ayongoma cabayi, ha, yabo. It's a throwaway. You know what I'm saying? It's not something I'm going to be serious, yabo. It's a throwaway. I fuck with it. Me, I like this one. It's just a humorous throwaway with a deep message underlaid. Yeah, with the way trend. I like it. Not yet. I like it. I don't lie. Like, I like this one. Yeah, shout out to uSmowa. Shout out to you, dog.